We're committed to focusing on the science and will drive our decision-making and will carefully consider those data in the context of the clear and obvious public health need to continue slowing the spread of COVID-19.
Breaking right now at 5 o'clock, FDA vaccine advisors reject Pfizer's plan to offer booster shots to the entire United States population. But two groups could get those doses soon. The FDA panel just passed a unanimous vote to recommend emergency use authorization, in people 65 and older and those at high risk of severe COVID-19.
That decision now heads to the CDC for its approval. Several members of the FDA panel voiced concerns about the use of booster doses in older teenagers and young adults. Specifically, some of those people may have a higher risk of myocarditis, which is an inflammation of the heart. Pfizer's booster would be given 6 months after full vaccination. Wish TV medical expert and former U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Jerome Adams says that there's a lot of confusion over boosters and how they get approved. He gave us an explanation.
Important for people to know that the FDA looks at safety and they look at efficacy. Is it safe? Does it work? As a physician, I feel very confident in the safety of these vaccines. The question then becomes, is it efficacious such that the benefit, any benefit outweighs any potential risk? And that's going to vary depending on your risk. Again, we know that people who are immunocompromised are at higher risk. People over 60 are likely at higher risk. And again, the rub comes for those who are otherwise healthy and under 60.
The Biden administration initially planned to begin administering booster doses to the general population on Monday. The CDC is not set to meet until Tuesday.
More